Hello, just a little message. It is 2025. It is the time, new year, new you. But what if it was time for a new do? I know, I'm such a nerd. But there are so many things. We've got wigs here at Tia Maria Wigs Boutique. We have clip-on hair extensions, clip-on little ponytails. We have so many things that can give you the look that you want, okay? Do you want to try a new color this year? Hey, why don't you start with a wig, make sure that color works for you? Did you decide like in 2025 you're cutting bangs?
I've done that several times.
Why don't you try on some wigs with some bangs, you know, before you go and do that. We have toppers, we have amazing curated accessories, headbands, necklaces, all the little things that you love. We are a boutique here, so you're gonna find things here that you don't see other places. So stop on in. If you wanna do a consultation, there is a small consultation fee. It's $45. You get an hour or two with me. I teach you everything that you need to know. If you purchase a wig, then it's essentially $45 off. And if you don't purchase a wig, then you have learned so much. I guarantee you will be leaving here feeling like you know which direction to go. Do you need a topper? Do you need a wig? Do you have enough hair for a topper? You can visit me Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I have walk-ins from 11 to 4 p.m. But I do take appointments Monday through Saturday. And you can call 814-853-5209 and make your appointment. We are located in the Edinburgh Mall, 220 West Plum Street. I'm in Suite 450 in Edinburgh. So yeah, it's a new year. All those things that you've been thinking about, your hair or your look or just feeling better, you can address them. Come on in. I can't wait to see you.